We're going to look at 5 of the most beautiful and mystical words in the Irish language. Let's start with this one, Madra Rua. This means fox, and if it was to be translated literally, it would mean a red dog, because Madra is the Irish word for dog, and Rua is the Irish word for red, and together Madra Rua means the red dog. You could also use the word Shonach to describe a fox, Shonach, but I prefer Madra Rua. Tháinig sé ar Madra Rua ag siúl tríd an bhéir. He came across a fox walking through the grass. Tháinig sé ar Madra Rua ag siúl tríd an bhéir. Our next word is the Irish word for freckles, and that is Pógíní Gréine. Pógíní Gréine. This literally translates into sun kisses, because Pógíní comes from the Irish word póg, which is to kiss, and Gréine comes from the Irish word grian, which is the sun. And together they make up a wonderful way to describe freckles, sun kisses, Pógíní Gréine. Tá Pógíní Gréine ar a haig. Her face is freckled, or she has freckles on her face. Tá Pógíní Gréine ar a haig. Our next beautiful word is Bláthana. Bláthana. This is the Irish word for flowers, and it comes from the word blá, which can actually mean flower as in a singular flower, but it's the Irish word too for blossom, so for something to blossom, blá. So many things blossoming would be the plural of that, which is Bláthana. Tagan, Bula Áling óna Bláthana seo. There's a lovely smell coming from these flowers. Tagan, Bula Áling óna Bláthana seo. Our next beautiful word is the Irish word for bird, which is éin. Éin, and tréad éin is a flock of birds. Bhí na hain ag ceol. The birds were singing. Bhí na hain ag ceol. Éin can also be a common name as well, an Irish name that is. Often it has the letter A on the end of it, so you might come across the name Éine, which can be the name that is can be related to a bird, Éine. But that was our next Irish word, éin, for bird. Our next beautiful words are 2 words to describe a dream. The first word is Bringloid. Bringloid. This is an old Irish word to describe a dream. Ní raibh ann ach Bringloid. It was only a dream. Ní raibh ann ach Bringloid. Another word to describe dream is the word ashling. Ashling, which is actually quite a common girl's name as well. Ashling. On Ashling very Connacht, the American dream. On Ashling very Connacht. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to let me know in the comments section below some of your favourite words in Irish. Remember, you can always subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I make a new video. Slán go fóill, agus gurb maith agat.